Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to Hairdiaries tutorial. So in this video, I'm just doing a quick tutorial on how I did these island twists with the wrapped roots. So let's get into it. I already did this first row and it turned out really nice, so let's continue. So first what I started by doing was braiding the hair in single plaits. When you are braiding the hair in single plaits, it is important for you to make sure the base of the braid is tight because you have to crochet a hook through it. So if the base of the braid is not tight and you go and you crochet the hook through it and it's loose, then your twist is gonna look loose. So try to braid it as tight as you can. Braid it down a good way. It depends on a person's hair texture. If they have looser, finer texture, I would say braid it down further, but her hair texture is not that loose, so I know that the hair is just not gonna unravel. That's why I didn't braid it down so fast. So use your discretion and to determine how far you want to braid it down, because you will be wrapping the parts that's covered. You will be wrapping the braided parts, so the braids won't be shown. So what I did was I did a row, braided the entire row, and then go in and did the twist. I didn't do braid, twist, braid, twist, braid, twist. No, I didn't. I feel like this way is much more faster because you have like a momentum built up. Alright, so now that is done, you are going to take your braiding hair. You're going to take a small piece, a thin piece. You don't want it too thick. And you're going to crochet it at the base of the braid. So you guys see the piece on the right? Yes, that piece that I just pulled. I'm going to pull it and I'm going to wrap it very, very firmly. Wrap and wrap going down. Wrap to cover the braid and wrap to ensure that you're not double wrapping. So what I mean when I say double wrapping is wrapping the same spot twice, because when you double wrap, it's going to make it look a little bigger. So once you finish wrapping it, you're going to split the person's natural hair in two, and you're going to add another piece of the braiding hair in, and you're just going to twist your person's hair like normal. Make sure that when you are twisting both sides of the hair so that it is not loose and it does not unravel. If you just twist one side, your twist is not going to look as firm and tight. So twist both sides. So I'm twisting and twisting. Sorry, my client had to get something out her bag. But yes, so I am twisting both sides. And I'm making sure to tuck the client's natural hair as well. Since this is island twist, I'm also adding human hair in her hair. So twist, twist, twist. If you guys need a tutorial on how to do Senegalese twist, because that is what the style is called, Senegalese twist with human hair. But you know how people is, they want to create names for everything. Create new names, I should say. But that is literally how I do it. And to end the braid, you could either put a braid or not. But honestly, I don't really do it because once you put the curl on the end, the curl is not going to unravel. So the twist isn't going to unravel once you seal it and you dip it in the hot water. Just make sure that you twist down enough from where you add a piece. So you wouldn't want to add a piece in and then stop the braid because it's a twist. It's going to unravel. You want to add in your piece and you're going to keep twisting for about 5, 6, 7, even 8 twists so that you can ensure that when you let this twist go and it unravels a little, that your adding piece is just not going to fall out. So consider that when you are adding in your pieces and pay attention. Like I always say, use your discretion. Pay attention, you're smart, you know what to do. And then when you finish with the twist, make sure to pull your twist down with the curl, because I find that when you leave the twist up and you go back, sometimes the twist, the curly piece wraps around the twist. So yes, and that is basically it, you guys. Like, I literally just take the braided hair, pull it from the root, wrap it in a downward motion, and I always pull it from the right side, that right strand, and I firmly secure the base, and I continue as normal. That's it. To me, I feel like this is much easier if you are a beginner versus doing the knotless, then having to make the braid into two. I feel like that is more immediate level. So this is a good introductory practice if you are unsure. But that is it. There's nothing else more for me to say. So in the rest of the video, I'll just let you guys watch and see. After this braid, I'll just speed it up some more. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope these videos are helping you guys. And yeah. So for the end of the style, I usually just go in by finger detangling the hair from the curls. So I'm like pulling the hair down and running my hand through it. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get the camera right. So for curling the hair pieces, the type of curl you use, the type of curl that you use that you're gonna get is based off of the type of rod you use. And I usually put 2 to 3 on a rod, and I make sure to curl a little way past from where the braid ends. Well, yes, from where the braid ends and the open pieces. And I do not dip the entire hair. I only dip the ends of the braid, and I go and I use hot water, like hot steam, to loosen the top parts. To me, I feel like the twist is already light and flexible, and I don't really feel like the hot water is necessary, but use your discretion. Sometimes the water is too hot and it changes the entire form of the twist. So that's why I just say I recommend you only twist dip in the bottom, honestly. But these are the results. She loved her hair. I loved her hair. I don't know if I mentioned it, but her hair was actually supposed to be $350. But I'm happy it worked out that she got to do red. I think it's very pretty. And yeah, I think for my first time doing wrapped roots, it came out very, very nicely. So I'm grateful for that. And my client was pleased. So that's all that matters to me. The end. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video, and let me know what other videos you want to see from me. Ciao. Thank you again for watching Hair Diaries YouTube channel.